A decade of Elon Musk's tweets visualized.
I just thought this was cool.
This is cool. Look at first of all, the graphic. The way they did it is very nice looking. This
got like a little timeline.
Yeah. I like the pie chart in the middle that shows the distribution of subjects. So it's broken up into SpaceX, Tesla, other projects, future and sustainability, finance and crypto, manufacturing and politics. And it's funny to see how small a proportion politics actually is.
I was just going to say that. That was going to be my first point, was how tiny politics is. No?
I'm going to get out of your way right now. You jumped out of your chair right there. You sound like me right there.
No, because I just keep hearing all these political tweets Elon's sending out and whatnot, but it's so small.
It's a so tiny little pie. It's a tiny piece of pie. Yes, it's the tiniest of the tracked. But remember, the SEC, remember they have some oversight over his account. Although this goes back to even before that oversight would have existed. SpaceX is the second most mentioned subject on Musk's Twitter feed. And it's very close to Tesla at this point, right?
Yeah.
Goes to show you his commitment to SpaceX. Because comparatively, you would assume, as the CEO of Tesla,
that you'd be tweeting about Tesla.
Tesla's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
But I think it's also shifted in recent years. There's other things too, like the Boring Company, Solar City, Hyperloop, for those that remember that, Neuralink, which gets talked about from time to time. And then going way back, PayPal, a lot of people don't remember. So it's so many projects, man, and so many tweets over the years. But to see it in this form really gives you a nice, quick glance at the agenda and the things that are important. Inside of Tesla, there's subcategories you can also track. Tesla, driving, technology. Scroll up a little bit more, Will. Cars. And then in SpaceX, you have space companies, other spaceships, SpaceX, planets, and technology. So this is tracking individual words and topics within. It's cool to see the release dates
as well. History.
This could be a poster.
It could be a poster. You mean a physical poster in the real world?
Yeah.
I prefer NFTs.
Yeah.
That's not true.
All right. Yeah. NFT. I get it.
We haven't said NFT on this show in a very long time. The word NFT or the three letters.